We have to go all the way over there.
Yeah, that's 21st Street over there.
Jesus.
Salam alaikum.
She returned it in her head. That's why I got my gloves on. The little work that they do. So now we're just slowly coming in. The doors opened at 12, so people are coming in. But now you kind of just see the people on security. People have posts and stuff like that, and they're getting the stuff set up. So we'll see you guys back when the minister gets on. They're testing the mic now, and they're popping it out. Like the minister not gonna be up there popping his mouth. Anyways, we have posts in about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna probably take a quick nap and we're about to go on post. It's currently like 12:30 something. And the meeting starts at 2, so trying to get the people in.
And 1 million men responded. You're looking at the man of God. Jesus spoke to the multitude. From him that God has given to us to have his anointed servant with us. Open your hearts, open your ears, open your minds to receive guidance, direction, encouragement. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. Hope, love, faith, our beloved minister.
So we're in Chinatown. We're going to get some boba tea and probably some soup. I have pasta here. This is so nice. I love the thing they have over there, and then the wood tables, very nice in here. So Ariana's getting something for something to go. Malia, are you getting something? No. House, are you getting something?
Yes.
Are you getting something?
I'm not gonna get nothing.
No. Saladin, are you getting something? Saladin?
Oh no, I just want boba.
Me too.
You see those
Malia over there taking, I think, pictures.
American.
He is. Oh, my face is looking so clear.
Anyways,
Anyways,
dumplings. You don't have no choice.
me just patiently waiting to go get boba. I'm getting 2 cups.
I'm getting boba too.
Malia, if you can't hang, just stay up then. Saladin left his phone in the car, so he got it took.
No. I dare you to. Don't you dare show them my face. No.
Go best friend. No. Look at it then.
Marriage.
So today I have on Crocs.
And I
Only because I've been wearing heels this whole entire Saviours Day, and my feet, I honestly think that one of them is sprung. Either my knee, my toe, or my ankle. Like, it's just not it. So I taped it up. So we're in a Boba tea shop. It looks so nice. You have the menu behind us right here. And then we have the pretty tree right here. And we have Fazra. And then you have the like little stuff here. Everything is so nice. So yeah, we're getting boba now. It's really nice here. Look at the ceiling. Yeah. When I figure out what I'm getting, I'll show you guys. Probably I'll get a fruit tea so it won't hurt my stomach or nothing like that. I think I want to... They have cheeky eyes, yeah. Ariana? Are you excited to try it? Malia? Saladin? Caleb? Kazra? Safia? Say hi to the camera. Mom? Rena? We're going to the bakery now. It does. It feels amazing. Like, it's not cold, it's just windy. Yeah. It feels so nice. It feels like Miami on a cold, windy day. Like a spring, windy day. This it? Yeah. Push. Oh, that's the thing that was supposed to be for in Miami. Ooh. Look at this one right here. This is nice. All the stuff they have. I don't know what's in it, but hello. These are all of our bobas and ice cream.
Check it out in reverse. Who's yours? Not yours is packaged. Well, not this one's packaged. It's this here.
Wow. Mine just gave individual too.
And then
on top of it. The broth. The broth like that. Yeah, I knew I'm glad I didn't get nothing because this sometimes it be too much.
oh, that's what you gonna do too at the airport?
Yeah, I was like, at the airport.
I better get it in the car.
Yeah, it's too much. It's too much. I would definitely eat it. They put in one of these bags.
Oh, here you are. There's some chopsticks right here. Yeah, some right here. I don't eat chopsticks. The good thing I gave Thea the utensils package. And that's the soup or that's the noodles?
It's the noodles. So we're gonna go around and say how we enjoy Saviours Days. Ariana.
Oh, sorry. A tear just shut on my eyes, but I'm not sad. I'm just sick. Saviours Day was just what I needed. The minister was speaking right to me. Everything that I was questioning about or wondering about, Allah made it clear to me in the Saviours Day, and it just inspired me to be a better Muslim and to be righteous.
Yes, ma'am.
Not act righteous.
Rena.
Okay, how Saviours Day was. Saviours Day was amazing. Like, you know, every single time when that day comes around, you know, you just get excited and you just wonder what's next in this life, you know? And everything is good because, like, once when you hear the minister, you know, everything just becomes clear, like what Ari said. Like,
What was your favorite part?
oh, my favorite part was, I don't even have a favorite part. I just say everything was my favorite.
Yes, ma'am. Malia.
I have something.
I'm gonna be real. When I first came here, I didn't know why I was here. But Sunday lecture, he definitely answered my question. Yeah, come through. I have to be the cheerleader at ours. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Mom.
Well, I want to elaborate on what Ariana said. He did answer a lot of questions that I had inside of me that was unanswered. He answered a lot of questions that I had inside of me that was unanswered. I enjoyed drill competition. As we said, my grandson and my grandnephew drilled. It was amazing. My two daughters with the other vanguard, they put it on point. And the lecture was just so eye-opening, and it gave me inspiration to do what I need to do to be better.
Make sure you don't get squished.
What was your favorite part about Saviours Day?
Ariana.
Papi, get back over here. Your
All
favorite.
the people with my family being here, it was just fantastic being around all of the believers. So, and obviously the crown and the neck, I'm listening to Farrakhan speaking to us and seeing him live and in person and healthy. All fantastic.
This is Yasmin. Yasmin, we're gonna secure this for you. Make sure nobody touch it or breathe on it. We got you. All right. Now it's time to head to the airport.
You ever get gas?
Drop the cars off the airport. Guys, we're on the plane. We're about to take off to go back to Fort Lauderdale. We have Cosmo here. Marina here. Three in the back. Saladin, Caleb, and Ariana. And we'll see you guys in Miami.
Bye. The plane is driving.
You sure he's not riding?
I'm not sure it's riding. Wow. If we already landed home so fast, we didn't even go. I said, I wish we can just go home so quickly. Yeah, but don't even fly in the sky. Yeah. But how would you get there, cousin? Because it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be like, and they were there. But we could get, but
That's kind of like teleporting. We're not there yet. Yeah, we're not there yet. Inshallah, one day.
Inshallah, yeah. Oh, that's fun.
Yes, ma'am. Pizza been ready to eat. Yeah, we do. Capable of it. We have our food here, just waiting to take off, get in the air, put these things down so we can eat. I'm trying to be patient and eat. On my way to eat. But I am hungry.
Dad, what's our airplane? I'm gonna just tell us.
Southwest. Thank you. I'm trying to get my face to be clear. My nose is so bad.